Cats may not speak like humans, but they have their own special ways of showing love. Cats use body language and actions to express affection. Luckily, these signs can help you recognize when your cat is saying "I love you" without words. Cats show love through grooming by licking you gently, which is a sign of affection. They may also groom themselves in front of you to bond. This silent gesture creates trust and closeness. When cats blink slowly at you, it is like saying "I love you" without words. This gentle gesture shows trust and affection. If you blink back, it strengthens your bond. When a cat plays with you, it means they feel safe and happy around you. Playtime is their way of showing affection and trust. They enjoy spending time with you and expressing love through fun. It is a joyful way of bonding without using words. When a cat sits on your lap, it shows they feel safe and loved. This is their way of bonding and showing affection. It is a quiet, comforting way for them to say "I love you." When a cat purrs, it is a sign they feel happy and safe with you. This soothing sound shows affection and trust. It is one of the ways cats say "I love you" without using words. A cat's tail can show love through its position and movement. When their tail is upright or gently curled around you, it means they trust and care for you. It is their way of saying "I love you" without speaking. When a cat sleeps on or near you, it shows they feel safe and comfortable with you. Cats only sleep in trusted spots, and being close to you means they care. This quiet act is their way of saying "I love you." When a cat follows you around, it means they enjoy your company and want to be close to you. This behavior shows they trust you and feel connected. It is their way of saying "I love you" without using words. When a cat exposes its belly, it is a sign of trust and love. Cats only show their vulnerable side to those they care about. This is their way of saying "I love you" without using words. By understanding these signs, you can build a strong and loving relationship with your cat. And enjoy every moment with your furry friend.